Hello everyone, have you ever had this problem when you're using Express Scribe, which is you're trying to transcribe audio file into Word file automatically using this speech to text function of Express Scribe. You'll find that you need to enable this speech recognition first, and then you'll find that this column, which is default profile, is empty. You can't find any profile here, and when you're trying to add extra profile here, you also can't do it, right? Okay, and I also find some of us has this problem too, so I tried to Google it first. Then I find that actually NCH has already gave a solution on his website, which is click the options button on the toolbar, go to the speech to text tab, select the enable recognition visual, blah blah blah. You can see it yourself. I will attach the website below. And what if you can't solve this problem using this solution? I have my solution. I want to teach you what I did to solve this problem. What I did was first load a audio file here, or you can just use its tutorial audio actually. And then what I did was to click on this file here, then I pressed this run speech to text on dictation. Okay, then you will see this coming out. It says that it's going to take some time, and then you just leave it alone, and then after several minutes you'll find that you can go to the speech to text column, and you'll find that there is already a default speech profile here, and problem solved.